No message, no voice. Okay, let's start. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna share my screen. Good morning, Mohammed Rauf. Jagum, good morning. Tibagar, good morning. Okay, Tibagar, I'll share again. But for that one, you need to log in there. Without that one, you cannot do. I'm gonna share my screen. I'm gonna show you everything again. Hmm, give me 1 second. And guys, I will not take the attendance because college said we need to take the attendance in the class hour time. So if you want to present means you are in the class, I know. But if you want to talk with me, then everything will be absent. So make sure you are present in the class. So I want to call your name. Rakib. Rakib. Faramad. Faramad. Far, Farhadullah. Farhadullah. Faradullah. Temi Alam. Ahmed Ali. মোহাম্মদ আলোক জিয়া, মোহাম্মদ আলোক জিয়া, হুমায়রা, তেভাগার, ইয়েস, তেভাগার, থ্যাংক ইউ তেভাগার, বিবি আউরি, বিবি বাচা, মোহাম্মদ বাহা,
Did you call my name?
who is that one? What is your name, man?
Matthew.
No, not yet. মোহাম্মদ বিলাল, বুশরা, আমানদীপ, সাদভীর, নাসরিন, হাবিবা, আজার, আব্দুল, আব্দুল গার্দিজি, জাবিউল্লাহ, গুলাম, জারলাস্ত, নাসির, ইহসানুল্লাহ, শামসরি, শাহ, লিনা, তৌকির, শানেল, নাজিফা, সাইদ, ইয়াসমিন তারা, নরি, ম্যাথিউ,
Present.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার, টেনিস, টেনিস, ফারহাদা, বাহরাম, আফসানে, নার্গিস, শাকিলা, কচাই, Mohammad Rahimi, Jiagul Rahimi, Kuldeep, Mohammad Ro, Abdul Saliman, Jagum. Thank you, Jagum. Gurvinder, Harvinder Singh, Abdul Sliman, Nagmana.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Good. Said, Shafia, let's Hussein, Kamila, Swati, Shaba, Hamida, Khalid, Rubina, Firdaus, Bibi, Bibi Saddiqui, Ramin. Guys, if you don't talk in the class, at least attendance time, so I will give you absent. So attendance is very important for our course. Okay, guys, let's start. I'm gonna share my screen now. First, let's check how come we can download the packet tracer. Though we already used that one. So for the packet tracer downloading purposes, go to the Google. Best practice, write down in the Google Cisco packet tracer download for Windows. I already write down before. For this reason, that one will be automatically come. After then, go to the Cisco Network Academy. Click into the what is Cisco packet tracer. Click in there. In here, login, or you can do one thing, scroll down. We can see getting started with Cisco packet tracer. Click in there. Then we can see get started with self-paced. Click in there. Then you can see login interface will become. If you have an account, write down your email address. If you don't have an account, so click into the sign up button. I have already account, so I use my email address. Click login. Then you can see the password section will be coming. Write down your password. Let's click into the login. We'll be clicking there. Then you can see resume course, or you can see login in the place. That means you need to start the course. Click in there. Right side, you can see from the top to scroll down. Then we can see download Cisco packet tracer will be showing. Now click in that one. When you click in there, then your Cisco packet tracer will be download. When it will be download finish, you need to install it. Just double click it and install it. Let me check is that one is available in my computer or not. No, maybe I delete it. Just download it and double click it and install it. When you finally install it, then you can see Cisco packet tracer will be showing looks like this one. Now double click it. Now we're gonna start with a new lab, and that today's lab will be our assignment. So wait, please. Moment, come on. Okay, this is our packet tracer. When you finish the installation, then you can see this window will be coming. Maybe one login interface will become. In that time, you need to select login green box, and then you can log in there. Okay, did I share my screen? Let me check. Yes, I share my screen. Now I said today we're gonna do one lab, and that lab will be our assignment. So what we want to do? We're gonna make one topology network. That one will be working in our using our few computer with the hub. So first let's take by default selected in here network devices. Now we can see there is one option is hubs available. Click in that hub. Click in this hubs. Let's click on the pt-hub. Click in there. Now you can see your cursor will be changing here. Let's paste it here. Now I can see the hub is in here. Now I need computer. We want to make network. So computer in here, in device, click in there. Computer in here, PC, let's click in there. Let's paste in here few computer. If you want, you can use multiple computer. I just have pick in here 4 computer. Your choice, you can choose lots of computer. So I have to make the connection. So click in this connection button. Let's click in that button, automatic. Let's click in first PC, click into the hub. Same way, click in here, click in here, click in here. Same way, we wanna do, click in here, click in here. Last one, this is the computer. I wanna connect it like this way. Now you can see 4 computer will be connected with hub. So this is one device. That device name is called hub. What is that? What is that one actually? Hub is one type of device. That device will be connect with multiple computer. First lab we did, in that lab, we use only 2 computer. But if you have multiple computer, how come you can connect with that one? For this reason, we need to use any network device. We can use hub, we can use switch, we can use any other device. You start with the hub. When you start hub, that hub can connect multiple computer. Now, how many computer? If you move your cursor in front of hub, you can see there will be some port number will be showing port 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First Ethernet 0, first Ethernet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 6 port will be available in here. Now that means one hub you can use for 6 computer purposes. Now if you have 7 computer, what can you do? So again, bring another hub, make connection and do that one. So I'll show you that part little bit later. So think about this is our network. Network means most of the cases we are called that one topology. This is our network topology. We want to use that part in here. Now I need to check it, all the computers are working or not. So what can we do? Same way, we need to set IP address. Every day we are doing same work. So please remember how to do that one. Let's click in this place note, paste in here, write down in here any IP address. I just want to write down in here default IP address, randomly IP address. So what is IP address? Tomorrow I'll discuss details regarding the IP address. I write down IP address this one. Let's write down right now this way. 1.2. This is the third. 192.168.1.3, and this one will be the fourth. Two 168.1.4. Somehow my computer is very slow. What happened? Okay. When you can see your cursor is still in here, I don't need to change anything. Use the escape button. Then your cursor will be changed. So I want to use in here this IP address. I want to use in here this IP address. I want to use in here this IP address. I want to use in here this IP address. These 4 IP address I want to use in here. And now let's set up all the IP address, all the PC. You can see this is the PC0. It's not looks like good. I want to change the name. So click in that name and write down. Let's write down workstation 1. Most of the cases we are saying this is the in device or workstation 1. You can rename it. Your choice. You can write down any name. Let's write down this one. Let's write down in here this one. Let's write down in here this. So I write down workstation 1, 2, 3, 4. PCPT will be fixed. That one will be work for the model name or from the packet. So we don't need to do anything. We need to do just W1, W2, W3 like that one. Now let's click into the W1. We need to set the IP address this one. Click in there. Go to the desktop. Go to the IP configuration. Write down that first computer IP address. 192.168.1.1. I write down IP address. Click into the subnet mask. So in the subnet mask, automatically it will become, no need to do anything. Same way, go to the PC2, workstation 2. Click in there. And to move it like this way, click into the desktop. Click into the IP configuration. Write down this IP address in here. 192.168.1.2. Let's click in here. Then it will be automatically showing 255.255.255. Let's click another place. Click into the workstation 3. And move it little bit right side. Now click into the desktop. Click into the IP config. Write down in here your IP address. 192.168.1.3. Click in here. Automatically subnet mask will be coming. Last one, this one. Let's click in here. Move it. Go to the desktop. Go to the IP config. Write down the IP address. 192.168.1.4. Click in here. I set up all the IP addresses. When you write down the IP address, automatically that one will be saved in your computer. Now I not check actually I make one network, that network is working or not. The files are transferring from one side to another side or not. So let's check it. How come we can check it? Click in here. This is the first PC. Close this window. Then we can see the command prompt will be showing. Click in there. Now just move it. I'm going to check from the first workstation to workstation number 4. Write down in here ping. Write down in there ping. I cannot zoom it. Write down in there ping. Write down 192.168.1.4. Now press enter key. When you press enter key, then you can see that one is pinging. Most of the time we need to check it is that file is 0% loss or not. If you can see it's not 0%, it's showing the 0% loss, that means everything is good to go. Your network connection is working awesome. That's very good. We can see network is working. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm try to check it. Okay, now change the font size. There is CLI. Let me change it. 16 and tool topics 16. Hopefully it will be changed something. Okay, let's try to check in here PC2. Go to the command prompt. Now I can see a little bit zoom. From the workstation 2, I'm gonna check the workstation 4 is working or not. Write down ping and write down 192.168.1.4. I can see that one is pinging. If pinging is used or pinging is working, that means your computer is working, your network is working very smoothly. That means good to go, network is good. Now let's check another way. Actually, is that one is working or not? In the right side, there is one simulation option. Click into that simulation. I click into the simulation, and in the top, you can see row number 3 and that option, add simple PDU. There one envelope will be available, close envelope. Click in there. Click into the first computer and click into the last computer. After that, let's click into the play. Let's watch one movie. Let me see what will happen in here. Can you see when I transfer my packet, from in here to this side. First, the packet will be goes from W1 to hub. After that, hub did one thing, distribute to everyone. So hub don't know where I need to go. This is the problem for the hub. Hub always do that thing, broadcasting. So when it's broadcast, you can see step by step. I cannot see that one. Yeah. So this is the first time packet was in here. Let's next. That one will be in here, packet in here. After then, what the next step? I can see this hub always send to everyone. How many computer in there? They will send everyone. And you can see these two are discard because I did not write down that IP address. I set in here and set in here. So for this reason, now this two is discard. Now next step, that one is received. Now again, that one will be sent to the hub. Now what will be the next step? Again, hub did one thing without who is sending. Rest of all the people get this message, and you can see that two will be now not accepting. This one is accepting. Now clicking the last one. That means finally we can see that one is success. You can see successful message will be showing in here. This way we can make our network. This way we can transfer our files. So when you finish your work, you can delete that list from in here using the delete command, delete button. So everything working fine. Network is good. Now think about, I purchase another 2 computer. What can I do? In this hub, only 6 port available. So I purchase another 2 computer. So in that case, I need to use another hub. You can use one computer in here. So let's think about that 2 computer and I use another hub. So I purchase another hub now. I'm gonna make connection in between 2 hubs. Computer will be connected. These 2 hubs will be now connected. Now I wanna use another 2 computer. That 2 computer in here. That 2 computer in here. Now you can change the computer name. Write down this one is W5. This one is, you can write any name. It's your choice. W6. Now make connection of both of them. Let's make it this one, this one. Always we are try to use the auto, but if you want to use the specific one, you can choose that part, your choice. I will show you every day, day by day, we can do that part. Let's write down these 2 IP addresses as well. So same way, let's write down in here IP address 192.168.68.1.5. Let's write down in here. So slow 192.168.1.6. I don't need to write in here anything right now, so I'm gonna use the escape button. So let's set up these 2 computer IP address. Let's click in here. Desktop, IP config. So check it, what is the IP address of that one? 192.168.1.5. 192.168.1.5. Click in here, close this. Let's click in here, desktop, move it to ipconfig, write down here 192.168.1.6. Come in here. Now close this window. Let's try to ping from in this computer to first computer. This computer W6 to W1. So go to the command prompt. Write down in here ping 192.168.1.1. Now you can see it's pinging. So that means when you add multiple routers, whatever the computer is that one, if you are in the same network, then you can access, you can do the work. And that one is pinging. So in your lab, not exactly that one, maybe you need to add more computers. Maybe I'll let you know I have 10 computers. Make a network using the hub. So you need to use 2 hub. After then you can divide it 5 computer, 5 computer. Or if you think, no, I want to use the 3 hub, use that one. Set IP address sequentially. After then ping it. And make one note, make one Word doc file, paste in there. After then upload it. That's your assignment. So which one we are doing in the class? Same thing, just you have more computer. Everything is logical computer. Everything is very easy. So you can use that one for your working purposes. I finished this lab, save it. We need to keep it. So for that one, click on the save button. And I always save any one specific location. So it's your choice. Why you wanna save it, you can save it. And this is the CCNA. And last class we use point-to-point connection. Today I make one network. Network using hub. You write down your what about the name you can write down, you can write it, your choice. I write down like that one. Network using hub. Basically when you make your network, that one is called topology. This is the network design. It's not mandatory thing your PC2 will be in here. You can move it, that one will be in here, this one will be in here, your choice. Everything your choice. But just when I started for this season, I am doing like very easy way. Day by day, I'll doing very complex thing in here. Now I save it. Let's upload it into the GitHub. So if you need, you can download from the GitHub. I open it. Where is that one? Okay, it's available in here. I already upload this point-to-point in here. So click into the add files. That one is for me. You don't need to do. If you want, you can try it. You can upload it. Everything is working very slow for me. What happened today? Then this is the second lab. I upload it in here, and let's I click into the commit. Then you can see 2 files will be showing in here. So when you have time, you can download it, you can watch the recording, and you can do your lab. I did not do, I don't have any documents regarding the lab. You can make note if you want. I wanna share this link from the GitHub. If you want, you can use next. Debagar, you need to upload 2 files. If you want, you can make one note. Make one note means make one Word doc file. Take this screenshot, paste into the Word document files, and when you are pinging, like I am pinging like this one, you can take this screenshot. You can do that one, or you can upload this PKT file. So best way, you can upload both files in the assignment section. If you can upload both files in the assignment section, that one will be good. Sometimes you cannot upload PKT file in your assignment section because the city.mp educator, they are not supporting that file. So for this reason, make Word doc file. You can see I am uploading in the GitHub because of that one is not support. Our city.mp educator is not supporting. So you can upload the assignments doc file. Yeah, but for that one, you need to take a screenshot. Good. Any question, guys? Thank you, Devaga. So I already disclosed this is our assignment number 1. So you need to do that one in next class, in Friday, after 1 day. Let's go to the, let's check one more thing. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna share my screen again. I have to share my screen. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna check. Today we have to do the IP address. IP address. Before we discuss IP address, please read the IP address. What is that one? So there is a good note IP address. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna check. Where is that? My computer IP address. Only IP address. I'm looking for the only IP address. There is one documents I have, but I cannot see that one right now. I cannot see any documents in my computer. Let's use I'm gonna go to the Google and you can today you can research that one, and tomorrow I wanna discuss the iPad because that one is the vast thing. So best practice, read fast, then it will be easy. So let's go to the Google. Let me check any good section in here. IP address. That is not this one. Okay, there is a very good section in here. What is an IP address? So I want to add this one in our. I'm going to share you with the chat. And to share this link into the chat. Please read this one first. And I want to update same thing in my sheet where which one I share the schedule. Update in there, and I want to write down this address in there. Then it will be easy for tracking where is that one. So every link will be in same place. Then it's easy for work. Give me 1 second. Resources. I said network lesson. In here, I want to add one more thing. That one is the IP address. Give me 1 second. I want to upload that documents into the city.mp recorder. Then you can easily access the latest one, and which one I share regarding the IP address, you can practice that one for your future purposes. Then everything will be in one document, same place. That one is that one. Okay, I upload it. Today is May 14. Okay, one more thing, guys. Next Monday there is no class. Next Monday there is no class because next Monday is the holiday. So for the whole government holiday, so we don't have any class in next Monday. Okay, I upload the latest link and latest one in there in our sheet, and I share you that window. If you move into the city.mp recorder, I update it, and you can see that one just now I updated. I uploaded it now. If I click in that link, that doc file, okay, not in here. Click in here, then you can see in there I update these resources. Greeks for Greeks.org. What is an IP address? Today you can do read it. Today you read it. Tomorrow we'll discuss details information regarding that one. So if you read it, then it will be very easy answer or easy to getting the output. So please read that one. It will be easy for understanding for next day. And when we have time, I know you all are busy. I'm also busy. But when you have time, at least come into the Cisco website. Come into the Cisco website. In here, not thousand actually, lots of courses are available. So when you have time, at least start any course. Most of the courses are free in here. So which one is log? You can see that one is free. Which one is free? You can do it. If you practice few things from in here, it will be good for your career. So when you have time, do that part. Okay. So read these few chapters. So right now I need only one thing. That one is start with IP address. What is an IP address? I need to know this one first. If you know IP address, you know everything regarding the network. So we'll discuss details, every steps tomorrow. But now I need, please read at least this resource. If you finish these resources, now if you want, you can start some course from the Cisco website, or if you want, you can do one more thing. That one is go to the YouTube, go to the Google, go to the ChatGPT, go to any other place, practice it, read it when you have time. Okay, guys, that's it for today's lesson. Now, if you have any question, concern, please let me know. I will stop recording and I will share this recording after the class. And please check all the recordings are in the recording section. If you have any question, concern regarding the recordings, you can let me know.